Hello, 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 what's up? Check it out. Little repair there. I could do this with a big gun, but hey, I wanted to show you this bad boy right here. Look at this beauty. Kick butt, of course. Ego Carbonio 190. Why 90? Because it's around 190 grams. And I love it. So this is a 1.2. This is a minigun. This is a mini spray gun. I know it's hard to tell, but if you compare it to my hand, it fits in my hand pretty much, right? So it's pretty small. I love it. Anyways, we're gonna do this repair here. We're gonna do we're only gonna do base coat because you know what, screw it, we'll do clear coat as well because I want to show you this, how versatile it is. And I'm gonna use the same gun for base coat and clear coat, so I'll clean it up and do that. So you know the drill, right? Everyone knows, but if you're new here, if this is the first video you ever see from me, my name is Gabriel and I run this channel, Motivated Painters. I created it to help painters that want to be helped, and hopefully you learn something. That's the whole purpose of it, is for you to learn something. This is one of those internal jobs where you really don't have a say in it, and you kind of have to do what you got to do, and that's why I didn't remove the box, right? We're not blending. It's kind of a little bit of a tricky one, which is why I wanted to do the mini, so I can try to get in here as much as I possibly can. So we'll see how that works out. I'm hoping it does. I mean, you guys will be here to see it anyways. So final wipe, which is something's happened that you can't create again. Final wipe, which is a degreaser. And then this is water-based cleaner from PPG. Any water-based cleaner from PPG will do. But I like to, most of the time, I like to finish with this. All right. Now I'll tack it. I'll tack and blow with the same microfiber cloth. Been doing this for a while now, and I love the results. You want to make sure that you're blowing everything off, so hopefully, you know, you get a clean paint job. But you know, you never know. So, cool thing about this gun is that obviously you have a little bit more control of what you do, so you can spray slower, right? You can spray at a lower PSI, and you know, I'm going to try to get in there as much as I possibly can. But what I like about this gun is that you can really control the trigger, right? So you can go really, really close, right? You can lower the pressure, obviously, so it doesn't splatter like that, right? And you can go tiny, tiny, tiny little bit, right? So this would be perfect for a small blow-in, or if you have to do a door jam, or if you have to, you know, you missed an edge somewhere and you need to just touch it up real lightly. This is the gun that you need, right? So let's see how it works at 10 PSI. Still laying it down nice. I wish the fan was bigger, right? That, you see, so we need to raise the pressure. and obviously this is spraying on plastic. So, but I mean, when you go farther away, obviously it gets bigger. But you know, I'm not pulling a full trigger there, but you see how fine it is. And that's what you want when you're doing when you're working with a little minigun like this. So I'm not pulling the trigger all the way. And this is a 1.2. That's beautiful. Wow. I'm going to blow dry this, and then what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the lights, and we're going to check this to make sure that we got coverage. Make sure we're recording. Yeah, baby. All right, we'll be back, okay? All right. Look at that. Metallics look beautiful. And look at the, I love this, honestly. Look. You see how fine it is, the overspray. That's beautiful. And we were able to really get in there, which is pretty amazing. So you can tell we still got some coverage to do in there. Okay? But I mean, that was only a coat and a half or so. So that'll be okay. I'm gonna put obviously another coat. I'm gonna wet bed the rest of this because this is such a fine metallic. I don't want any scratches to come up. Well, but I'm really happy with that. That's awesome. Very cool. Okay. Let's turn on the lights so you guys and girls can see something. This is a gun I use only for wet bed, and I love it. That's a dedicated use for it. It's a Fuji spray. You can get it on the website, MPV8 1.3. And that's all I use this gun for. It's freaking awesome for it. So it's always good to have a dedicated wet bed gun, that you have the wet bed ready to go at all times. I'm gonna put it on everything, okay? Awesome. I'm gonna blow dry that for like 3 minutes, and then we'll come back and do that. Okay. So I'm gonna try to get in there. It's hard. It's really hard, which is why I'm grateful I got this gun. Beauty. That's what I'm talking about. Just a double control coat. And we're done here, sir. Ma'am. Got coverage in there. Very good. I think that's gonna do it. Beauty. So what I'll do is I'll rinse it out here with some water cleaner. Right? Get all that paint out of there. And normally I would clear this with the regular gun, but for the sake of this video and showing you, I'll do it with this gun. Plus, I want to see myself how it comes out. here. All right, now I'll run some thinners through it. Mix up the clear. We're gonna use EC520 PPG and Bio base, right? EC520. Be quick, easy, 2-minute flash, 20-minute bake. It's quick, I love it. My favorite clear. All right, we'll be back. Okay, 520, EC520. .30 psi is what I'm gonna do. I have to spray somewhere where I can see, because I haven't done much spraying with this gun. But I mean, I knew that this would be an amazing gun. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna do 31 psi, and I'm gonna dial in the trigger just a little bit, maybe like 1 turn or half a turn. Up to you, really. Like, it all depends on how you spray. I'm gonna put it up to 433. So I wanna make sure that I'm getting a silky smooth finish. And by the way, I'm not pulling the trigger all the way, okay? This is what these guns are made for. To be able to be playing around with the trigger, to get in, you know, this is like I'm just feathering the trigger just to be able to get in there properly. Very nice. Awesome. Let this flash up for like a minute. Beautiful. We'll be right back. Okay, here we go. 33 psi. And I mean, it doesn't sound like 33 psi. So that's the trick right there. Woo! Love it. You don't not pull the trigger all the way. Do like maybe half a trigger, and it's going on like black. Maybe, you know, I'm doing probably 8 inches away. And like I said, obviously this was a tricky job. Trying to get in there, you know, without getting runs and whatnot. Hey, I think we got it. Beautiful. Oh yeah, look at that. Blends great. Love it. Hey, little mini ego. Little gun with a big ego, I guess. So it works great. Look at this finish. That's what you want to use these guns for. Something small. Something where you need containment. Somewhere where you need a little more precision. A little more, you know, attention, finesse, you know. So anyways, hey, overall, very nice. You can get these on the website as well if you want. And look at that. I'm gonna put this on bake. See you later, baby. Love it. Walcom Ego 190 1.2 Motivated Painters Edition. Love it. It comes with a cup Obviously I have 3M stuff in here, but it comes with a cup, comes with a digital regulator and a gauge and a rebuild kit, and what else, and a wrench and some oil in a very nice case. All right, hope you get one before they're gone. Love you. Motivated Painters out. God bless.